Today we are doing a quick step-by-step tutorial on how to install rear shocks on a 2007 to 2018 Jeep Wrangler JK. Dave with Mile High Campers coming back at you again with another video. Be sure as always guys to check out the description below because I'll have all the equipment and tools used today in this video linked in the description below. Be sure to smash that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you get notified when we upload new videos. And don't forget to hit that like button if this video helped you out. Alright, let's get into it. Okay, we have the front wheels blocked. Now we're going to go ahead and jack up the rear of the Jeep. Alright guys, as you can see here, I've got the Jeep jacked up. We've got the wheels kind of high off the ground because we're going to be lowering the Jeep onto the jack stands, and then we're going to actually lower the axle a bit to make getting the shocks off and on easier. Alright guys, when aligning these jack stands under the frame, there's probably a couple different places you could put them. So I want you to do whatever you're comfortable with. This was actually much more stable than it looks like in the picture, but I know there's some people out there that would probably prefer to move their jack stands forward on the frame, so be sure to do whatever you feel comfortable with doing. Alright, so we're going to start at the top. There's two bolts up there on the top of the shock, and they could be a 17mm, but honestly a 5/8 socket, at least the 5/8 socket that I have, fits much better. So I'm going to use that to remove those two bolts. Alright, we got those two bolts removed. Now we'll move on to the lower bolt. Alright, next we're going to be using the 18mm socket and an 18mm wrench to get this bolt off. Alright, I'm going to use a flat blade screwdriver to get a little leverage here. I'm going to push up on the shock and just pull the bolt out. I've got my top bolts in place, and as you can see I got the bottom bolts started. Alright, we're going to go ahead and get these top bolts torqued up. Please do your research for your vehicle to get the exact torque specs and make sure it's from a source that you trust. I personally trust the source that I got the torque specs from, and they said that they were 36 foot-pounds for the top bolts. Okay, again, do your own research here, but this lower bolt, I found the torque spec from a source that I trust that said it was supposed to be 57 pounds. So that's what we're going with here. Again, do your own research. Remember guys, everything's linked in the description below, so be sure to check that out. Thank you so much for watching. Hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell, and don't forget to smash that like button. We'll catch you in the next one. Peace!